Scene 2, Introduction. Did you know some common habits could be slowly destroying your car without you even realizing it? Here are 7 car mistakes that are quietly damaging your vehicle, and how to avoid them. That glowing orange light isn't just for decoration. Ignoring it could mean you're driving with a serious issue, like a failing sensor or misfiring engine. Don't put it off, get it checked before a small issue becomes a big repair bill. Old, dirty oil turns into sludge, causing engine parts to wear faster. Stick to your recommended oil change intervals. It's the cheapest insurance policy for your engine's health. Keeping your foot lightly pressed on the brake pedal during long downhill drives can overheat your brake pads, wearing them out faster. Instead, switch to a lower gear and use engine braking to reduce strain. Running your car on fumes isn't just risky. It can damage your fuel pump. The pump relies on fuel to stay cool, and when you're running low, it works harder and overheats. Don't wait until the warning light. Aim to quarter tank. Underinflated tires wear unevenly, reduce fuel efficiency, and increase the risk of a blowout. Check your tire pressure monthly. It's a 5-minute fix that can save you a costly replacement. That weird grinding, squealing, or clunking sound? It's your car's way of crying for help. Strange noises often mean trouble, whether it's worn-out belts, loose parts, or failing brakes. Addressing them early can prevent major damage. Using lower-octane fuel than your car recommends can reduce performance and cause knocking. Always use the fuel grade specified in your owner's manual. It's there for a reason. Don't forget regular maintenance. Skipping things like air filter replacements, coolant top-ups, and battery checks can quietly reduce your car's lifespan. Avoid these mistakes and your car will thank you with fewer breakdowns and a longer life. Which of these bad habits surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments.